Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help fix Roblox update error Delta. First, ensure your Delta executor is completely up to date by visiting its official website. Sometimes, you might see an upgrade message, but the executor still works. In that case, simply click Not Now to bypass it. If the error continues, a fresh start is best. Completely uninstall Delta executor from your device, then download and reinstall the newest version directly from its official site. This often resolves many initial issues. Next, let's tackle potential software conflicts. Go into Delta executor settings to clear its cache, then reinstall the Roblox core files to refresh any corrupted data. Your security software can sometimes mistake Delta executor for a threat, so add it to your antivirus and firewall exception lists. This ensures it has the necessary permissions to run smoothly. Also, remember to close any other applications running in the background that could be causing interference. A stable connection is crucial. Confirm your internet is working well, sometimes switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or temporarily disabling a VPN can resolve connectivity issues. To prevent permission-related problems, always run Delta executor as an administrator, giving it full access to system resources. Finally, ensure your operating system is fully updated. Older versions might have compatibility issues with the latest Delta executor, so installing any pending updates is a smart move. If you're still facing the Delta error, a complete reinstallation of Roblox might be necessary. Make sure to remove all associated files before reinstalling. It's also wise to check the official server status pages for both Roblox and Delta executor. Sometimes, the problem isn't on your end, but due to server maintenance or outages. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to the Delta executor community or developers through their official Discord or support channels for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.